In today's video, we will talk about how to change password on Skrill. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. First, you're going to log in your account. After that, go on your profile icon in the top right corner, or you're going to see three lines. Click Settings, and you're going to see Security. After that, you're going to see Change. Password, type your current password. New current password, then click Save. If you forgot your password, go to the Skrill login page, www.skrill.com, and click Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address and follow the instructions sent to your email. Click the reset link in the email, enter a new password, and confirm it. Log in with your new password. If you have trouble changing your password, contact Skrill support through their help center. I hope you learned about the video. Thank you for watching.